Shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty's standing by. Baby Shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with Baby Shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby Shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on Shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby Shark takes little nap, then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling great. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby Shark jumps in the sea, healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty, thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, no, sick no more. Baby Shark swims like before. Hip, hip, hooray, 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 hooray. Happy birthday party time. The balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Oh no, no, what a day. Play, play, chaos on the way. Kitty brings the birthday cake up hot, but the table starts to shake. Happy birthday party time. High balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Frosting flying through the sky. Kitty says, come back, please. Cake zooms past the party seats. Cake, 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 don't run away. Silly birthday cake today. Happy birthday party time. High balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Everyone jumps with funny eyes. Monkey hides beneath the chair. Puppy runs around in scare. Pop, 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 balloons go boom. Crazy party in the room. Kitty opens giant gift. Suddenly the lid goes flip. Tall waving pony fills the air. Toys go bouncing everywhere. Funny dances on the floor. Dino crashes through the door. Happy birthday party time. Balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Birthday madness every night. Kitty laughs, that's okay. Funny birthday save the day. Everyone dances side by side. Big smiles they cannot hide. Cake is fixed and candles glow. Best birthday ever, you know. Happy birthday party time. Balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. People bid us Kitty fine.
Kitty dances come along.
Keep what's stay fun everywhere. Oh no! Side of the Dino train is out of control. Kitty is the driver, but spooky dinos are everywhere. Let's ride the train and fix the chaos. 5 spooky dinos were riding the train. T-Rex, Raptor, making lots of pain. One stood up and shook the track. Kitty called the old and the owl said back, no more dinos riding the train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. 4 spooky dinos were train!
The castle ahead is
Riding the train, when you're 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 riding. Two spooky dinos were riding the train. Raptor and Rex jumping in pain. Seats all broken, lights went dark. Kitty called the bear, and Bear made remark. Stop this spooky train ride! Almost broken train. Riding the train, when you're 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 riding.
I was so lucky.
Two broke the engine, big loud boom. Kitty called the witch, and witch said, "Oops, fix the train, fix it soon. Let's fix the train." Hi-do, they fixed the train. All Daniels back on the train again. Kitty smiles, no more pain. So Kitty calls them home and says, "Let's ride the Dino train today." Riding the train, when you're 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 Kitty and Dino ready to play. Hide and seek the counting way. Numbers hiding, where can they be? Let's find them. 1, 2, 3. Count, 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 come along. Hide and seek number song. Rib Mr. 1, Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near one little tree. One jumps out, happily. Mr. 2, Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near two tiny shoes. Two pops out with funny moves. Mr. Train, Mr. 3, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hiding near brain, buzzing bees. Hannibal Gershel bone. Mr. 5, Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 4 funny frogs. 4 jumps over logs. Mr. 5, Mr. 5, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 5 shiny stars. 5 waves from afar. Mr. 6, Mr. 6, where are you? Let's find them. 1, 2, 3. Here I am, 6 silly sticks. 6 plays magic tricks. Mr. 7, Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 7 balloons. Taven sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, Mr. 8, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 8 top cakes. Melba does silly shakes. Mr. 9, Mr. 9, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hiding near 9 toy cars. Dine zoom super far. Mr. 10, Mr. 10, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 10 jungle drums. 10 go boom, 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 boom. Toot, 10 and she teet and boom. Hide and seek none. 1, 2, 2. Kitty and Dino clap and cheer. Let's count again right here. Count, count, count. 1, 2, 10. Play the number game again. Mr. 10, Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 1 little tree. 1 jumps out happily. Mr. 10, Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near through tiny shoes. 2 pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, Mr. 3, where I move. Spider-Man, 1, 2, 3. Hiding near through buzzing green. Hide on more or shoot out. Mr. 4, Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 2 tiny shoes. 2 pops out with Peekaboo, hiding your 7 balloons and sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, Mr. 8, where are you? It's time to 1, 2, 3, 7 sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, where are you? 20 and Lucky 8, the throat spin, big a silly shake. Mr. 9, Mr. 9, where are you? Here I am, Peekaboo, hiding near 9 toy cars. Zadie, iron train! Wow! Oh, it's 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. Chuck, 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 going through the rain. Cheer hard here and stomp, stomp there. Dino chaos everywhere, riding on a train. Choo, choo, choo! Kitty driving fast, you know. 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One slipped down and bumped his brain. Kitty called the owl and the owl then said, no more dinos jumping on the train. Riding on a train. Riding on a train. 4 little dinosaurs. 4 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One went wild and broke the chain. Kitty called the monkey and the monkey then said, stop the dino shaking the train. Choo choo train. Funny dino train. 3 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One got stuck in candy the train. Kitty called the panda and the panda then said, no more candy on the train. Riding on a train. Sticky, sticky train. Riding on a train. 2 little dinosaurs. Little dinosaurs riding on a train. One pulled lever once again. No, Kitty called the thunder and the bunny then said, slow that crazy train right now. Fast, fast train. Crazy, crazy train. One little dinosaurs riding on a train. He sneezed loud and cracked the pane. No, Kitty called the bunny and the bunny then said, Dino train is working well. Riding on a train. Riding on a train. Happy Dino steal the show. Hi, Mom. Can I see my shack? Wow. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 bubble blast is deep. Pillows flying very fast. Kitty laughs. What is that? A splat. Baby shark turns rainbow splat. Blue and red and green go wow. Oh, no, no. What now? Kitty builds a bubble machine. Sparkly lights, rainbow beam. Baby shark jumps in with cheer. Best bubble party ever here. But suddenly pop, big surprise. A bubble hits his tiny eyes. Pop, 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 pop. What just hit TV shark? Can't believe it. First bubble turns him ocean blue. Baby shark says, is this true? So he looks like deep sea fish. Kitty laughs, make a wish. He tries to swim on floor instead, slipping, sliding on his bed. Second bubble pops out loud. Now he's red like spicy cloud. Baby shark starts spinning fast. Help me, Kitty, make it pass. He sneezes, pop, another hit. Now he's red and doing flicks. Sneak, 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 shake, shake. Green bubble falls from sky. Now he looks like jelly pie. Kitty says, oh, what a mix. Colors doing crazy tricks. Baby shark becomes rainbow bright, glowing in the dark at night. Suddenly the machine goes boom. Colors go Kitty presses stop so fast. Yeah, bubble magic slows